There we go. Yeah, so it's got a nice custom screen in it. It responds to a light shake, or there's actually a Wi-Fi web interface. You can change the lighting, dim the lighting, make it brighter, turn off my crazy patterns, make it so it just breathes real slow. On the sides here, I've got flame lights. I've got, this is all on a microcontroller. This is a showpiece only. The greatest thing is you can turn all that off with a single swap. If you could hear that, it plays the Mario when it boots up. And this one's got some of the different animations, some of the same. Turn that light off, it just hits that thing. But yeah, this one's got animations. Thank you for the compliment on the paint job. It's just real, you know, this is absolute bare bones. But again, this isn't just someone throwing a new shell on here. There's some real skill involved. Nintendo. Yeah, so this was like half Fallout. Yeah, there's Ella. There's Fallout Boy. So I can use that as inspiration for one of these as well.